Morning.
Morning.
What are we having for breakfast?
I got fried potatoes and salad.
So we got cabbage, tomatoes,
Onion, black pepper, olive oil.
So this is raw cabbage, right?
Yep.
Let's check this one out. Fried potatoes and... Oh, there's no cabbage inside. I thought there was cabbage.
No, it's just good.
Oh, just plain potatoes?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You wanna try it?
Okay.
Have you tried it before?
Yeah, I tried it. Along with this cabbage, that's nice.
I don't know if you like it or not. Just
Okay. So we got fried potatoes here.
Get the fork.
Alright, I'll get some salad. I'll get a couple spoons of this. Alright, that's good. Is your tea finished?
I don't drink tea now.
Okay.
I don't drink when I eat.
Alright, there we go. Good morning from Florence, South Carolina. We're gonna head out to the hotel, do some laundry. So we're gonna head into town right now. You got the laundry bag? Alright. So ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, I'm ready to go. How far is this? Is it close? Okay. We're gonna go visit the Dollar Tree now. We gotta find some items inside, see if they have it. Luckily, Dollar Tree is one of the stores that's open. Alright, I'll get my mask on. Alright, let's see what we have to find here. We're looking for rubbing alcohol. We had no luck though. They were all sold out. Alright, Hilton Garden Inn. It's a really nice hotel here, but how many cars are here?
Yeah, it's a lot.
Just one customer, and that's probably the general manager's car. No customers are here. Alright, we need to get some laundry here, so I'm gonna ask them. Yeah, there's only one car we saw outside.
Well, pretty much everybody's gone.
How many rooms do you have rented out today?
We only have 2 floors open, so.
Oh, okay. Limited capacity. Hey, we wanted to know, I wanted to do some laundry. Can I use your laundry machine? Wash machine?
You need a room key to get in.
Oh, really? I just wanted to do it like a load. Is that okay? I mean, I got the change. It's like $2.50 or something?
It's, I think it's $1.50 to wash and $1.50 to dry.
Oh, okay. Can we do that one? Okay, cool. So it's on the second floor?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
There you go.
Great,
Just
I'll
get
get...
on the elevator, go all the way to the end. It's the second to last floor.
Okay, great. Thanks. I'll get my load. She said she doesn't care. She even gave me a key.
Oh, wow.
Upstairs on second floor, turn right. So we gotta take the second floor all the way down to the end and we'll find it. The laundry room is down this way. We made it.
Yeah, it's nice.
Nice they gave us a key. Oh, that's great. 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. It's all to ourselves.
Yeah, this one is newer.
Oh, that's newer. Okay. 30 minutes for wash, 30 minutes for dry.
Oh, that's easy.
That's quick.
Warm wash, cold wash. What's the permanent press mean?
I don't know. Wow, it worked. That was a good deal.
For like a month, and then all of a sudden they got freaking virus.
Yeah, how does that happen?
I think by the air.
Maybe someone came and delivered some stuff to them.
Could be. 8 FedEx employer workers died in Newark on a sorting facility. Apparently the virus stays on the cardboard up to 6 hours.
Oh.
So when they're receiving from Memphis or India, they're receiving boxes. Somebody touched that and they probably got something to their nose or eye, whatever.
Maybe.
On metal like 12 hours and on cardboard up to 6 hours.
6 hours, okay. How long does it stay on your hands if you don't wash it?
I don't know.
That was a good one.
On a direct sun it will die within like an hour.
We should go sunbathing then. Alright, we're headed into Walmart now. We're gonna see this one. We haven't been to this one yet. Corn here is only 33 cents each and it comes from Costa Rica. I didn't realize Costa Rica sold corn or grew it. Time is already taking a toll on this. It's starting to break. Walmart's put in the signs in every aisle. Do not enter. Oh, this one we can enter. That's good. The shoe aisle. Here, you can buy a lot of shoes here.
We'll just stay here. Yeah.
Okay. Shop this way. She has 2 boxes of rubbing alcohol. We'll get our first 2.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thanks.
Thanks a lot.
All right. We got flip-flops, rubbing alcohol. Get our next thing. Here's the bananas. They're 35 cents a pound, as cheap as I saw in foreign countries. Laundry is finished finally. 30 minutes it'll be finished.
High heat.
Okay. Yeah. Now we're headed to this place called Timrod Park. It's about a 7-minute drive from here.
Alright.
You think we'll manage to get there?
Yeah, I hope we'll beat the traffic, right?
I know, all that traffic. This is a nice house. It looks like it's abandoned.
And then there's the one...
Piggly Wiggly, at home down the street. We found that Timrod Park just across the street from Piggly Wiggly, so we're going to check it out. We saw a couple creeks and bridges there. We just arrived to the park. It looks pretty nice. There's a small river that goes through the middle. They got nice sidewalk you can walk on.
That's cool. Why can't you throw this one? Because he doesn't like walk.
So we're gonna go see the bridge that crosses the river to see how big it is. Looks to be pretty small. They got nice shrubs and trees here and a few tablets to describe what's happening. Let's see what this describes. Oh, this doesn't describe anything. What about this one? Oh, rain garden, solutions to stormwater pollution. The trash bin along with a nice place to sit down. And here's that famous bridge for Timrod Park. It's a place where you can get nice photos, graduation photos. These people are getting photos of their little kiddo, and there seems to be enough water in here. Haven't seen any ducks yet, but we'll find some. We do see some squirrels though. The sad thing about it is the signs are not here anymore, so we don't know what kind of tree this is, but it could be a, what do you call it? A cedar tree. No, it's a type of cedar, especially with the bark. Here's the other bridge that you can use to get back across to the area with recreational equipment. They have a tennis court here. They got a playground. They got benches to sit down and relax. There's a Timrod Park nature trail that you can walk on, so it's pretty nice. You can also take your dogs here. There's those special routes that you find in swamp areas. I forget the name of it, but I've seen them at that Tyler, Texas Rose Garden. Did you see any other fish?
Yeah, I mean, they're all kind of small.
What's the biggest fish you've seen?
Here?
Yeah.
Oh, this way.
Would you eat this type of fish?
Only if I'm getting really hungry, you know?
Yeah? Oh, I heard some noise. Maybe there's an animal here.
You know what happens? They have lots of snakes here, Ken.
Oh, there's a snake, do you think?
No, there are. Cancers, they have lots of snakes here in Florence. The copperheads and that one, you know, they can bite you, you have to amputate your arm.
Really? So dangerous? Oh, look, there it is. Yeah, you can see it in the sun.
Because usually snakes, they like the dry leaves. So be careful, you know?
We'll walk near the water so we don't get bitten by snakes. Oh, there's a lot of fish here.
Yeah, it's a guppies.
Hey, guppies. We're gonna go see this place where you can exercise at. They have some bars. It's right next to the tennis courts. Here's the exercise equipment. You can use the monkey bars, the push-up bar, the handlebars, whatever this is, and the stretching bar. Or if you like the tennis courts, you can see them too here. There's many courts. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Wow, that's a lot. Oh, Spruce Street and Timrod Park Drive. They have a little mini garden here for planting things. City of Florence. Parks are open from 1 hour before sunrise until 1 hour after sunset. What's the definition of that?
Definition of night?
Definition of night. Oh, okay.
Or 6 degrees below horizon, right?
This is where that creek starts. We're gonna head into Piggly Wiggly now, see what's new here.
Yeah, I was going to say.
We'll see what they sell that's different than the one I visited in Alabama. This is South Carolina. We apologize for any inconvenience this may cause due to the coronavirus and mandate by governor. We must limit the amount of persons in the store. Only 55 people are allowed inside, but no one's counting. Well, look at these black bananas. They're plantains. Does that look like Alaska bananas?
Yeah.
You ever shop at Piggly Wiggly?
No.
We'll see what they have. I guess soda's on sale.
Yeah, it's good for you.
Popcorn.
You can have it all. Where's the organic stuff? Where is the
Yeah, there's no organic here. Look how cheap sugar is. Get you in the hospital real quick. That's fish. The toilet paper aisle is still empty. It takes weeks and months to fill this one up. Even when it's full, you can only buy 2. So when will this get filled up?
When people are so busy using it, yeah.
They're eating more.
Yeah.
Hey man, I know the feel. What's up, guys?
Hi. So what are we looking for here? Look, no toilet paper.
Vitamins, no toilet paper, huh?
That's too much. You guys have toilet paper? They were completely out at Piggly Wiggly.
Yeah?
How come it's so hard to find it these days?
Man, that ain't lying.
You have a hard time ordering it?
No, it's on auto order.
Oh. No luck, huh? I might have to go to Walgreens or something.
Sometimes they put them on a case stack.
Oh, on the side?
Yeah, on the end.
So you guys are completely out, huh? We'll try the next place.
Yeah, that's crazy, bro.
Yeah, that's too much. I mean, I didn't think people would start going to the bathroom more often.
Man, no. If they were using that much toilet paper, they would have already had a problem, you know? I mean, that's insane. Well, sorry I couldn't be of much help to you, man.
It's okay. I'll just check another store. Thanks a lot.
Yes, sir. You have a good day.
Yeah. We finished our tour of Timrod Park. Now we're gonna head back. The nice thing about this park, it was only a 7-minute drive away, so it's pretty close. I just discovered that this intersection has a 6-way red light stop. The first road is here, the second one is over there, third one, fourth one straight ahead, and then there's 2 this way. Wow, so there's 6 red lights here. It's unbelievable. But if you're a pedestrian, you can only walk this way, that way. I don't even know how to get to Wells Fargo from there. But this is one of the only 6-way intersections in the US. That's the important part about Florence, South Carolina. So there you go. This camera is so old, you can choose between white and black or color. It's made by Kodak Films. Now that's what you call old. It has Nikon lens. Look at inside. You can pull this thing out. This is where you put the film. And then the film goes directly in there. And look at inside. It's that's the whole of the camera. So it takes a photo right into the film.